What's up, guys? Welcome to Pig Kahuna Barbecue. I'm Tyson Kai Kamanu, and today we're going to do Moink balls and armadillo eggs on the Recteq 590.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law.
Pig Kahuna Barbecue.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
Alright, today we're going to do a couple party dishes, tailgate dishes, whatever you want to call them. To get things kicked off, we're going to start with Moink balls. What a Moink ball is a meatball. All it is a meatball wrapped in half a piece of bacon. You're going to take it, wrap it like that, take a toothpick, just put it through the end. And that's all we're going to do for these. We're just amping up the meatballs that it seems like are at every party. There's usually a crock pot full of meatballs and barbecue sauce, it seems like. So we're going to finish wrapping these up real quick. And then what we're going to do is come back with our seasoning, which is going to be this Code 3 Spiced 5-0 seasoning. We're just going to come along the top of these and give these a nice even coat across all these. And that's it for these until we throw them on the pit. We're going to sauce them a little bit later and we'll be done with these. One other thing with these, if you want to amp these up even more, is you can make your own meatballs, or you can keep them simple like this and use the frozen ones. But what you're going to want to do is, if you buy the frozen pre-cooked ones, is put them in the fridge about a day ahead so they'll thaw out a little bit. We don't want to cook them completely frozen, but once they're thawed out, all we got to do is warm them up and get this bacon nice and crispy. Now that we've got the Moink balls all done, we're going to move on to the armadillo eggs. What is an armadillo egg? All it is a jalapeno that we've cut the stem off, we've cut in half and de-seeded. We've filled it with a cream cheese mixture of 8-ounce softened block of cream cheese mixed with a 1/4 cup of cheese and about 2 or 3 tablespoons of your favorite barbecue rub. And all you're going to do is mix that together, and we're going to fill all our jalapeno halves like this. And then what we're going to do next is just take a little bit of sausage, pork sausage. We're just going to flatten it out in a super flat patty. And we're going to take it, we're going to take one of our jalapenos and we're going to put it right in the middle like that. We're just going to fold all these over and close it. Make sure you get all your seams shut good. Round it off and make it an egg shape like this. So now that we've got that done, what we're going to do is take a full piece of bacon. We're going to wrap it around the whole thing. And then once we get that cooked down, that's going to be your armadillo egg. So we're going to finish getting these put together, and we're going to come back when we're ready to get this on the pit. Alright, we got our Moink balls and our armadillo eggs all assembled. So we got them on the Recteq. And today we're running 275, probably take about an hour and a half. We're going to get this bacon crispy on these, and we got to get the pork sausage and the bacon cooked on these ones. We're running with a blend of hickory and cherry today. And as you can see, we also, a little trick, put these on cooling racks, so instead of having to handle all these individually, we can take these on and off easily. So we'll come back in about an hour and a half and check on them. See how they're doing, see if we need to get them sauced up yet, and we'll be back. Alright, we've been on about an hour and a half, and as you can see, our bacon's rendered nicely. It's about ready to come off. Our pork sausage is hit temp, so it's good to go. What we're going to do is just take a little bit of barbecue sauce. Today we're using Sweet Baby Ray's. You just take a little bit of this and brush it on all of these, on both the meatballs and the armadillo eggs, and we're going to let that go about 10 more minutes and we're going to be done. been about 10 minutes since we sauced them. They're nice and glazed up. Our bacon's nice and crispy. And I guess there's nothing left to do but try them now. Obviously, meatballs and bacon, you can't go wrong with that. So those are going to be awesome, even if they weren't sauced. Yep. They're awesome. We're going to cut into one of these now. Can't go wrong with jalapeno and cream cheese, pork and bacon. You can see we got ourselves a nice little smoke ring around there. Pork's still nice and juicy. And let's go ahead and try that too. That hit the spot. These are the perfect tailgate or party food, whatever you want to call them. And they're just a new twist on an old recipes. Both of these are basically. You're going to amp up your meatballs, you're going to amp up your jalapeno poppers, and this is what we got. Alright, and that's going to wrap it up for us today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to see more content that doesn't make it to the channel, go ahead and follow our Instagram at Pig Kahuna Barbecue. Mahalo nui, and see ya!